Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your examination will be held in time only. Don't think that it will be postponed. Practicals will be held in the month of February, January, February. The latest news is this only, that exams, CBSE exams will not be postponed. It will be held just as it was held the previous year. Okay. Can you hear me? My voice is clear? Jigyasa? Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very few students are attending the class. What is the reason? तुम्हारे दोस्त लोग क्लास क्यों नहीं अटेंड करते? पूछते हो उनसे? हाँ? No participation.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Those convey the message among your friends. Those of you who are not attending classes, out of 20, I will not give more than 10. And
मैम मैसेज करने के बाद भी ये लोग देखता है तो ज्वाइन नहीं करता है मैम।
नहीं तो बोल दो, जो भी है एकदम मैसेज कन्वे कर दो कि 10 से ज्यादा मैं नहीं देने वाली हूँ।
ठीक है।
Principal sir has told that minimum 10 marks, so I'll give the minimum marks for those who are not attending the class. Okay. And you are in the board, you have to appear for board exams, and then this is your attitude. It's very bad. why was why was the lawyer, the narrator, not happy with his job? Who will answer? Why was the lawyer, the narrator, not happy with his job?
Ma'am, because he has to travel many places to catch criminals and he don't like it.
Okay, yes, Ayush, yes, good. He had to travel to many dirty places and he had to run after the criminals. Sometimes he was even beaten by the criminals. Huh? But he had to do it because he was just a junior assistant. He had just joined his job. Some of the criminals even bet him up. कभी कभी उसको मार भी खाना पड़ता था. So he hated this unpleasant work and he sometimes he even thought of leaving the job and going to his village, hometown. Sometimes this thought came to his mind, why not leave the job and go to my hometown? So why was the lawyer sent to New Mullion? Who will answer? Ruko ma'am, I'll point. Uh, Pritish Raman. Pritish? Pritish, can you hear me? Pritish Raman? Joined the class and gone away somewhere. Pritish Raman, NG. I can see your name in the participants. Sarika, why was the lawyer sent to New Mullion?
Ma'am, I was absent in the previous class.
Okay. Who will answer? Ronak, you are present? Ronak Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the answer. Why was the lawyer sent to New Mullion? Ronak, you were present yesterday?
No, ma'am.
No. अभी तो तुम yes बोले.
I'm as present, ma'am. कल नहीं थे हम.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Jigyasa answer.
To serve someone called Oliver Lutkins.
Yes, yes. So for those of you who have joined today, I will just say the brief summary of what was taught yesterday. So there are two main characters in this story. One is a lawyer and the other main character is Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer does not like his job because he is a junior assistant, and as a junior assistant he is given the job of running and finding out criminals and bringing them to the court. लॉयर ने नया नया जॉब ज्वाइन किया है तो वो जूनियर असिस्टेंट का जॉब है. कंपनी तो बहुत बड़ी है लेकिन काम जो है वो बहुत अजीब सा है. काम है कि कुछ लोगों को जो कोर्ट में नहीं आते हैं उनको पकड़ के लाना होता है उसको. तो दिस ही डज नॉट लाइक, junior lawyer does not like his job, running after criminals and catching them, bringing them to the court. तो कभी कभी उसके मन में ये भी बात आता है कि जॉब छोड़कर अपने होम टाउन, अपने विलेज चले जाए और वहां वो एक रियल लॉयर बन सकता है. तो लॉयर है, नया नया जॉब शुरू किया, उसको अपना काम पसंद नहीं है. तो वन डे दिस लॉयर ही इज सेंट टू अ टाउन कॉल्ड न्यू मुलियन. एक दिन उसको काम मिलता है कि न्यू मुलियन जाके ऑलिवर लुटकिंस नाम के आदमी को उसको पकड़ के लाना है, क्योंकि ऑलिवर लुटकिंस इज अ विटनेस इन अ कोर्ट केस. ही इज अ विटनेस एंड कोर्ट हैड रिटन मेनी लेटर्स टू हिम. कोर्ट ने बहुत सारी चिट्ठियां लिखी ओलिवर लुटकिंस को आने के लिए, लेकिन वो कोर्ट में रिपोर्ट नहीं किया. तो लॉयर को काम मिलता है कि ओलिवर लुटकिंस को खोज के कोर्ट तक लाने के लिए. एंड फॉर दिस ही वाज सेंट टू द प्लेस कॉल्ड न्यू मुलियन. तो the writer goes to New Mullion and he is not at all happy. When he got this job of going to New Mullion, he was very excited. उसको लगा कि न्यू मुलियन कोई सुंदर सा जगह होगा, अच्छा जगह, उसको घूमने का मौका मिलेगा. बट ही वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड. जब वो न्यू मुलियन पहुंचा तो बहुत निराश हुआ, क्योंकि न्यू मुलियन जो है वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा जगह नहीं था. रिवर्स ऑफ मड, rows of wooden shops. So he reached New Mullion. It was not a good place at all. Dirty place, full of mud, ordinary shops. But one thing was good at New Mullion. At the station, he met a delivery man who was very, very jolly kind of person, very friendly, very well mannered. तो लॉयर जब न्यू मुलियन पहुंचा, नरेटर हमारा, तो उसे बिल्कुल भी जगह तो पसंद नहीं आई, बहुत गंदी जगह थी, जगह जगह कीचड़, छोटे छोटे दुकान। लेकिन न्यू मुलियन में एक अच्छा चीज ये हुआ कि स्टेशन पर वो एक बहुत अच्छे आदमी से मिला। 40, he was about, that man, he was 40 years age, delivery man. This was the good thing about New Mullion. At the station he met a delivery man who was very good natured, very cheerful, uh, and he had a very friendly manner. Dress was not very good, dirty and well worn, old damaged. Worn means old and damaged. So clothes were old damaged, but his manners very friendly, very cheerful. So this lawyer told him that he has come to find the person called Oliver Lutkins. And then this man, he was very helpful, he offered to help him. तो डिलीवरी मैन ने बताया कि लुटकिंस को उसने 1 घंटा पहले देखा था, और उसने ये भी बताया कि लुटकिंस जो है वो पोकर गेम बहुत खेलता है. So he guided him where he could get Lutkins. So the delivery man helped the narrator, and he said that yes, I saw Oliver Lutkins 1 hour ago and I know where he must be. उसने गेस किया कि वो जरूर फ्रिट्स शॉप के पीछे जो है पोकर गेम खेल रहा होगा, फ्रिट्स शॉप. I'll tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? And then he asked the lawyer कि आपको जल्दी है उसको खोजने में. So the lawyer said, yes, I want to quickly catch Oliver Lutkins and return back by the afternoon train. I was very important and secret about it. Now he had to catch Oliver Lutkins, so he did not want to tell this to everyone. But why did he tell this to this delivery man? क्योंकि डिलीवरी मैन उसको बहुत फ्रेंडली लगा, अच्छा आदमी लगा, तो उसने बताया उसको. I'll tell you what, I've got a hack. So this delivery man, he said, I have got a hack, horse cart. And he said that we can search Oliver Lutkins in my horse cart. हाँ, मेरे तांगा गाड़ी में जो है आप उसको खोज सकते हैं. And he also says that I know most of the places where he hangs out, where he goes regularly. Hangs out मतलब क्या, जहाँ वो, तो जो हैक ड्राइवर है, डिलीवरी मैन, उसने खुद ही ऑफर किया नरेटर को कि मैं ओलिवर लुटकिंस को खोजने में आपकी मदद करूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि वो किस किस जगह में जाता है रेगुलरली. So he was very open and friendly. I glowed with the warmth of his affection. He knows that narrator knows that the hack driver is helping him for money, want the business. He knows the hack driver is helping him, taking him in his hack horse cart because he wants money, but his kindness was real. Narrator was happy that he will be able to help the hack driver by giving him some money. So the fare was also fixed. 1 घंटा अगर वो तांगा में ओलिवर को खोजेगा तो उसको $2 मिलेंगे, $2 an hour. So the price, the fare of the horse cart was also fixed. Can you hear me? My voice is clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so finally the fare of the horse cart, that is hack and horse cart means the same, was fixed, $2 in 1 hour. So this man, he brought the horse cart from his house इट वॉज लाइक अ ब्लैक बॉक्स. तांगा गाड़ी जो है वो बड़ा सा ब्लैक बॉक्स के तरह दिख रहा था, ऑन व्हील्स. Here is the carriage and his wide smile. As we are told, he is very cheerful. What kind of a person is the delivery man, the hack driver? Very cheerful. And this narrator, he felt as if this hack driver was his old friend. He was so friendly, so cheerful. He made him feel like an old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. Here the narrator is praising the villagers. गांव के लोगों की वो तारीफ कर रहे हैं कि गांव के लोग जो हैं वो बहुत सीधे साधे होते हैं. They even help a stranger. He had already made his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. So this writer, you can see in the picture, ये जो है lawyer है, narrator, and this is the hack driver or the delivery man. So I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins. तो उसने बोला कि why do you want to catch Lutkins? What is the purpose? Maybe he has taken your money. Collect some money. He never pays anybody a cent. Cent is a currency of small denomination. Compare. तो थोड़ा भी पैसा वो किसी को देना नहीं चाहता है. He still owes me 50 cents. तो हैक ड्राइवर ने क्या कहा कि मेरा भी उसने 50 सेंट्स बकाया रखा है. owes me 50 cents on a poker game. So the hack driver, what does he tell lawyer about Oliver? Oliver never pays anybody money, and he says कि मेरा भी 50 cents जो है वो बाकी रखा है. He still owes me 50 cents. He says the hack driver told about Oliver that he never returns borrowed money, and he has borrowed 50 cents from him also that he has not returned. But he does not hate him. Hack driver जो है वो Oliver Lutkins को खराब नहीं समझता है. He is not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with the money. If you try to collect, so then he says I will go into the fridge shop, because if he sees you in the fancy clothes, then he will run away. और उसने कहा लॉयर को कि you keep out of sight, and I will go and bring him out from the shop. I loved him for this. So the lawyer loved Oliver. Who is him here? Sorry, hack driver. Him is the hack driver. The narrator loved the hack driver for his helpfulness. यहाँ this मतलब क्या? Helpfulness. By myself, I never have found Lutkins. He could never have found Lutkins by himself. Why? Because he had never seen him. Lutkins को उसने देखा भी नहीं था. With the hack driver's knowing help, I was sure of getting my man. I took him into my confidence, and I told him that I wanted to serve the summons. He told the purpose of coming, that he was wanted in the court. He was wanted in the court. उसने हैक ड्राइवर को बताया कि वो लुटकिंस को क्यों खोजने आया है, कि वो कोर्ट केस में विटनेस है और कोर्ट के तरफ से उसको बुलाया गया है. That the man had refused to be a witness when his information would quickly settle our case. एक केस को सेटल करने में उसकी जरूरत थी. The driver listened earnestly. Earnestly means seriously. He listened very seriously. At the end, he hit me on the shoulder. We'll give Brother Lutkins a little surprise. Let's start, driver. And then he introduced himself. His name is Bill Magnusson. Then he also said that Lutkins is very good at deceiving people. Bill seemed to admire Lutkins' talent for dishonesty. And from the way the hack driver was talking, it seemed to the narrator that though though Lutkins was a bad person, yet the hack driver liked him. I felt that if he had been a policeman, he would have caught Lutkins respectfully and jailed him with regret. तो नरेटर ने सोचा कि अगर वो हैक ड्राइवर एक पुलिसमैन होता तो वो लुटकिंस को पकड़ के जेल तो डाल देता, लेकिन उसके लिए उसको बहुत पछतावा भी होता. हाँ. So from the way the hack driver was talking, what did the narrator understand? That the hack driver loves Lutkins even though he is a bad person. Lutkins बुरा भी है तो भी hack driver उसको पसंद करता है. Bill led me into Fritz. Have you seen Oliver Lutkins around today? Friend of him looking for him, said Bill cheerily. Fritz looked at me, hiding behind Bill. He hesitated and then admitted, yes, he was here a little while ago. Guess he has gone over to Gustav's to get a shave. So Fritz looked at me hiding behind Bill. So he asked at the Fritz shop. Fritz shop में वो गया, फिर Fritz से पूछा बिल के बारे में, ये ओलिवर के बारे में बिल ने पूछा. तो उसने क्या कहा? फ्रिट्स ने कहा कि वो जो है शेव के लिए गया है गुस्टाफ्स के पास. So what information they got at the Fritz shop? At the Fritz shop, they got the information that Oliver Lutkins has gone to the Gustavs to get a shave. Barber. बार्बर के पास वो गया है शेव के लिए. Well, if he comes him, tell him I'm looking for him. So he's told to Fritz that if Oliver will come, you tell that Bill is looking for him. We drove to Gustav's barber shop. गुस्टाफ फिर वो गुस्टाफ के बार्बर के शॉप गए ओलिवर को खोजने के लिए. वहां क्या पता, बिल वेंट इन फर्स्ट एंड आई लिंगर्ड एट द डोर. लिंगर्ड मींस स्टॉप्ड at the door. He asked not only the Swede but two customers if they had seen Lutkins. तो बार्बर के दुकान में बिल अंदर गया. कहीं भी जो है वो नरेटर को नहीं अंदर पूछने के लिए जाने देता था, वो खुद ही जाके पूछता था. हाँ. So they went to the second shop, the Gustav's barber shop, and there also he did not allow the narrator to go inside and ask. He himself went. Narrator was waiting at the door. He asked not only the Swede but two customers. The Swede had not seen, and he said angrily, I haven't seen him and don't care to. But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes me. So वहां भी उसने स्वीड से पैसे लेके रखे थे. हाँ. So what do we come to know of Oliver Lutkins? That he is a man who has taken money from many people but have not returned him. ओलिवर लुटकिंस के बारे में हमें क्या पता चलता है कि उसने बहुत सारे लोगों से पैसे लिए हैं लेकिन उनको उसने वापस नहीं किया. One of the customers thought he had seen Lutkins walking down the main street. So one customer said कि मैंने Lutkins को मेन स्ट्रीट में शायद देखा है, this side of the hotel. As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that since Lutkins had exhausted his credit at Gustav, exhausted मतलब finished. A credit means money. उसने कहा कि जरूर जो है लुटकिंस के पैसे खत्म हो गए हैं, तो वो ग्रे के पास दूसरा दुकान गया है शेव के लिए। तो यहाँ पर बिल ने गेस किया, बिल ने कहा कि जरूर जो है गुस्टाफ को उसने पैसे नहीं दिए होंगे, उसके पैसे खत्म हो गए होंगे, तो वो दूसरा दुकान गया होगा शेव के लिए, ग्रेज। And he is also, Grace is also a barber, another barber. He must have gone to another barber Grace shop for a shave. तो वो लोग दूसरे बार्बर के शॉप पे गए। हाँ, so till now they have searched 3 places. First, Fritz shop, then Gustav's barber shop, and then the third place they have come is Gray's barber shop. We missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. वहां क्या पता चला कि 5 मिनट पहले लुटकिंस यहाँ आया था। तीसरे दुकान में जब वो गए, तीसरे बार्बर के शॉप में, then there they found out that Lutkins had come there 5 minutes before. He had just left probably for the pool room. And then there also किसी को निश्चित नहीं पता था कि लुटकिंस कहाँ गया है। Everyone was guessing, probably, guess, maybe, for the pool room. At the pool room, it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarettes and gone out. तो next वो लोग कहाँ गए? Pool room पर. So where is the fourth place that they searched him? It was the pool room. So first they went to the Fritz shop because Bill guessed that maybe he had gone there to play poker game. Then they went to the Gustav's barber shop. There also he was not found. Then they went to another barber shop, that is Gray's barber shop. There also they came to know that he had just left 5 minutes before and he must have gone to the pool room. And pool room, when they went, then there they said that he just purchased a pack of cigarettes and gone out. वहां पता चला कि अभी अभी तुरंत यहाँ से बाहर निकल गया है वो। पूल रूम तो आया था लेकिन सिगरेट खरीद के बाहर निकल गया। So we pursued him. Pursued means followed or chased. Pursued. Pursued means followed और चेज्ड। फिर वो उनका बिल का पीछा करते गए। जहां भी जाते तो क्या पता चलता क्या उनको कि 5 मिनट पहले यहाँ से निकल गया है। सो वी परस्यूड हिम, जस्ट बिहाइंड हिम बट नेवर कैचिंग हिम। व्हाई डज द ऑथर से? बिकॉज वेरेवर दे वेंट they got the information that he has just left this place, so they were just behind him but never catching him for an hour. और बिल को हैक काट में ढूंढते ढूंढते कितना देर हो गया? 1 घंटा। till it was no until it was past 1 o'clock. And what was the time by now? It was 1 o'clock. So till 1 o'clock they searched 4 places. First at the Fritz shop, behind Fritz shop, where it was guessed he had gone to play poker game. There he was not found. At the Fritz, somebody said he had gone to Gustav's barber. At the Gustav's barber, Bill guessed he must have gone to another barber, Gray's shop. When they went to Gray's shop, there they got the information that he has gone to the pool room. Pool room, they got the information that he just purchased cigarettes and went away. So wherever they went, जहां भी वो जाते पता चलता कि 5 मिनट पहले यहाँ से निकला है। तो वो पीछे तो थे लेकिन कभी पकड़ नहीं पाए। Behind him but never catching. Then it was 1 o'clock and narrator was hungry, but I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors that I scarcely cared. Scarcely means hardly. means did not care. He did not care whether I found Lutkins or not. लेकिन नरेटर को बिल्कुल भी अफसोस नहीं था कि लुटकिंस को वो खोज नहीं पा रहा है. क्यों? Because he was enjoying the hack ride, the horse cart or hack ride, gossiping with he was enjoying the hack ride, gossiping with Bill. So he was not sad. He did not care whether he found Lutkins or not, because he was having a nice time with this friendly man, enjoying the horse cart ride in the village, going from one place to the other. So how about something to eat? I suggested. Let's go to a restaurant or I'll buy you lunch. तो वो इतना ज्यादा हैक ड्राइवर को पसंद करने लगा कि उसने उसके लिए खाना भी खरीदने के लिए सोचा. He said, I'm feeling hungry, let us go to a restaurant and both of us will have lunch. I will buy lunch for you also. Can you hear me? My voice is clear?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो नरेटर ने ऑफर दिया बिल को, हैक ड्राइवर को, कि मुझे भूख लगी है, चलो कोई अच्छे से रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाना खाते हैं, मैं तुम्हारे लिए भी लंच खरीदूंगा. देन व्हाट डिड बिल रिप्लाई? बिल ने कहा नहीं नहीं, मुझे जो है घर जाना है, आई डोंट ईट एट रेस्टोरेंट्स, only 4 of them and they are all bad. What did Bill say? कि यहाँ के सारे रेस्टोरेंट बहुत खराब हैं, कोई भी खाने लायक नहीं है. तो नरेटर ने बिल को ऑफर दिया, हैक ड्राइवर को, कि चलो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, मैं तुम्हारे लिए भी लंच खरीदूंगा. बट बिल सेड नो नो, आई हैव टू गो होम, माय वाइफ विल बी वेटिंग फॉर मी. And also he said that the restaurants at this place are not good. न्यू मुलियन में कोई अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट है ही नहीं, 4 है और चारों ही खराब है. Tell you what we'll do, we'll get the wife to pack up a lunch for us. He said that my wife will pack lunch for you, for both of us. She won't charge you more than $50. And he was not giving this lunch free. See, look at this hack driver, how clever he is. He is earning money as a fare by taking Lutkins, by taking the narrator in his horse cart, and he will give him lunch also, but for that also he will charge him $50. It would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. उसने कहा कि रेस्टोरेंट का ऑयली खाना से अच्छा मेरी वाइफ खाना बना के देगी आपको. And the cost will also be very reasonable, just $50. So he gave a proposal. उसने प्रस्ताव दिया नरेटर को कि restaurants are not good and why you will pay for the oily food. My wife will cook food for my wife will pack food for you, and she will also charge only a little bit of money, only $50. And we'll go up to Wade's Hill and enjoy. And then he said that instead of having the meal in a restaurant, we'll go to a Wade's Hill, beautiful place. It is very beautiful place, scenic beauty, and enjoy the view, enjoy the scenic beauty while we eat. So I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. So he knows, नरेटर को पता था कि बिल उसको हेल्प कर रहा है, दैट इज नॉट जस्ट आउट ऑफ लव, इट इज फॉर अर्निंग मनी. He was getting money from the fare and also from the lunch. So he knows Narrator knows that this man is not helping him just out of brotherly love. He is helping him for getting money. But I was paying him for his time in the end. तो 6 घंटे तक वो लगातार लुटकिंस को खोजते रहे. 6 hours. I paid him for 6 hours, including the lunch hour. Lunch hour में relax किया, लेकिन उसका भी पैसा दिया. At what was then a very high price. But he was no more dishonest than I. So the hack driver cannot be called an honest person. Why? क्योंकि उसने लंच आवर का भी उससे चार्ज लिया. लेकिन नरेटर भी ऑनेस्ट नहीं था. Narrator was also dishonest, but he was no more dishonest than I. What does he mean to say? That cart driver was also dishonest and he was also dishonest, क्योंकि उसने अपना सारा ये बिल जो है वो कंपनी से लिया. He was charging, hack driver was charging more money from him, and he was charging more money from his company. So both of them are dishonest. But it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. But what does he say? कि अगर उसे खुद भी पैसे देने पड़ते तो भी उसे अफसोस नहीं लगता. Means he was really enjoying the ride with this hack driver. So okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Participants भी घट गए. हाँ, only 1 or 2 chapters are left. That is why I'm going slow. Okay.
Thank you,
यहाँ
ma'am.
तक समझ आया है? सबको कुछ पूछना है? कोई लाइन ऐसा समझ नहीं आया?
No, ma'am.
Story is clear to all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Convey to your friends कि जो क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर रहे हैं, they will not get more than 10 marks in internal assessment. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. दो ग्लास तो दिए. स्टॉप शेयर नहीं हो रहा है. आओ. मीटिंग का खत्म. स्टॉप शेयर नहीं.